Welcome back, America and Europe and Asia and Africa and the globe and Loch Ness Monster down there. Just episode 2 of SkyFactory2.
Asians.
Yeah.
It's very racist.
I said Asians.
You got an afro, I think. No.
Well, welcome back to Sky. No, I'm gonna die now. Welcome back to SkyFactory2 with me and Cat Knight.
It's okay, Noah, I'll protect you.
No! Ah! No! Screw Nate.
I was gonna protect you.
Which is episode 2? Yeah.
I was gonna protect you, Noah, but alright. Excuse me. So, we need to fix my,
I got your boo-boo! I don't think you can mine it, though.
Yeah, that's a problem.
Harvest level obsidian. Swag.
You don't have swag. Mining level is copper. Ow!
Don't snot. Dude.
I have an axe and it will kick your ass. I also have tofu bacon.
Stop hitting me! I'm trying to fix your mistake.
Oh, sorry.
Oh?
This isn't gonna work so well. An Enderman just jumped off.
I heard.
Oh my god, there's a creeper on top of the... Oh my god. A creeper climbed on top of a skeleton.
Oh no!
That's horrible.
Oh my god, why isn't this mining yet?
Because, Noah, you suck wieners.
Dude, I don't think it...
You can check your pickaxe's mining level by hovering over it and pressing shift.
I know.
Is it obsidian level, at least?
Yeah, it says effective tool pickaxe, harvest level obsidian.
No. In your inventory.
So
Set it in your inventory.
Copper.
Yeah, so you can't.
Nate, you messed us all up.
I just need to increase my bow's level.
Not even... Oh my... Nate, you screwed us.
Not necessarily.
Now I gotta go level up my pickaxe. Excuse me, screw your stupid bow.
Noah.
I gotta fix your mistake!
Noah, standing back here is a great thing because then creepers don't blow stuff up.
Yeah, but you messed up. Oh look, there's a slime!
Kill it. Get the slime ball.
I got a gelatin slime.
Okay, gimme. Or not.
Are you sorry for your mistake?
No.
Alright, I have 2 hearts left. I'm done. Peace. I'll give you it. Ready?
Thank you. I appreciate your donation.
Yeah. Wait, I got a rare one. I got a rare one.
Take care of business.
No. I have a rare
Okay.
bag.
You ready for this?
I got a lily seed. This is bull.
No, look. Ready for this? Why isn't this working?
Because it's not one with something in it.
So I could put you in it.
Nope. If you did, I'd be really scared. I would be very scared if you could do that.
You should.
So now what are we supposed to do since you messed everything up?
Don't you worry.
What happened, baby?
Baby.
Wait, I need to do it, because I'm living on beauty. Wait, we gotta stay away, otherwise they don't spawn. Back. I'm all the way. Oh, wait, there's tin in there. Poop.
You're
poop.
No, you're poop.
No, you're poop.
I know I am, but what are you?
Poop. Poop buddies. Are there things there or not? No. Why is
I
you
could
no?
fix this. I could fix this.
How?
Give me a sec.
Mary.
Mary had a...
Iron or dust. I could have used that.
Where's the lava bucket?
In some place.
Thank you, Noah.
You're welcome, Bubba. Now I gotta go through all this place and get all this dust because Nate sucks balls.
Yeah. How does it feel?
I don't know. Oh, there's 3 gelatin slime right here, you moron.
Why are you calling me a moron?
Cause you're the one looking for slime. You're like, where's it at? We ain't got no. Where's it at?
Oh.
There's like barely anything spawn there. Whoa, 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 that's mine. All the way. Come here, pickaxe. Creeper, I didn't ask you to blow up. I'm poisoned? From what?
Death.
Oh, you witches.
Well, Noah, I have good news and bad news. Which one do you want first?
Bad news.
Bad news. There is none. Do you want the good news?
Yes, sir.
Well, due to my mistake, I've actually fixed my mistake. So, yeah.
How do you fix it?
How did I not fix it?
Cause you dumb.
Can you hand me the lava bucket?
No, I don't got it.
Where'd you put it?
Not in here.
No, give me the lava bucket.
I ain't got it!
Give?
Bruh,
Well, then where did you put it?
I ain't got none.
Well, now it's your mistake.
I need tin.
Yeah, congratulations, I do too. Get in line. Okie dokie. So,
Get out of here, ho.
no. Molten tin.
Yeah, I need to get the rest of the tin in there so I can put all the other crap in.
Noah,
What?
why are you mixing the metals?
You don't mix them, bruh.
Well then please explain why there's molten alumite.
Oh no.
Yeah, they mix. No.
Your mom mixes.
Like a cocktail.
I wanna... We have enough iron. We have... Wait. Yeah, we have 15 iron.
No, we don't. We need tin, not iron.
I know.
You can make that crushed iron ore into something.
Where?
upper left-hand corner for crushed iron. You can also make the crushed copper, crushed lead. You can't really make anything beyond that though. We need more dirt.
Oh, I know.
I'm making some with this tofu.
Yay.
And then I'm gonna use all of this dirt that I'm currently making to make more trees. Then that way we can get more wood and such.
So what did you say I can put in there to make?
No, do you honestly not even remember what you can make?
Just tell me what I could use.
Some of the... Okay, look. What are you talking about specifically?
You said something I could put in there. What was it? I forget your name.
I didn't say you could put it in there. I just said you could make some. Also, you've made aluminum brass, molten bronze, alumite. No, see, what you want to do is you want to put them in there separately.
Nate.
Mm-hmm. There's copper, iron. Oh my god, Noah. This is a mess.
Sorry, I'm just trying to help. 7 as you die.
It's not really a big problem.
My god.
God damn it.
Did you die too?
Yeah, I was trying to charge up an arrow, but these things shoot like 50 times faster than you do with this frickin' thing. Can the skeletons please die?
No, they cannot die. They must live long and prosper.
Can you at least get the frickin' bags in there and open them for us? No, don't do it.
But maybe I wanted to do it.
Come here.
No, you got it.
Oh, you assholes.
Did you get knocked off the edge or something?
No. The door's open, by the way. You blocking the way doesn't help. Why isn't this working? Why? Why can I not hit them?
Because.
Skill level godlike. It's a godlike frickin' axe. Okay, there I'm hitting them.
This is like the most crappiest way.
You're the most crap.
Your mom's the most crappiest way. Don't get sassy with me, mister.
I'm getting sassy with you, and also, yes, my mother is the crappiest way. Love you.
6.
Okay. Let's open this shit.
Ola dee, ola da. Blah. I can never sing this song.
Vibrant alloy, bucket, iron sword, bread. None of that was good.
We need tin.
You, my good sir, need tin.
You, my good sir, need tin. You asked for it. I tried. I failed. I'm trying to fix my mistake. You need tin, my good sir.
You, my good sir, are an arsehole.
Thanks, Bib. Crushed tin. Crushed lead. Crushed aluminum. Let's go see what I can do with this bad boy stuff. Crushed tin. I can make... Yeah, buddy.
No.
Tin sand. There's copper. Iron. 17 ingots of iron, bruh.
Noah.
Yes, sir.
So I got a thingy-majigger.
I got a thingamajigger too, it wiggles.
Noah, could you please stop putting the wrong stuff in this chest?
What you talking about? Lol, trollolol. Wanna fight? I wasn't actually gonna fight you, but whatever. Why do you do this to me? I wasn't actually gonna hit you the first time. Why? Oh, Steve.
You're Steve.
Your mom's Steve.
She probably is.
Oh no. Where have all of our books gone?
I have one book here.
Tools. Alright, modifiers. This is what I want though. I want the modifiers. Okay, alright. Diamond. More durability. More redstone mining speed. Moss, blah blah. Harvest it. Looting. Attack damage is quartz.
What's looting?
Lapis.
Lapis. I think we have some in the chest if you want that.
No, I don't need looting. I need quartz. I got one quartz.
We all need lots of things now.
Bum, 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 bum.
I really wish you'd stop it. Like, putting... I can hear myself.
Can you?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
My voice is annoying.
Yeah, mine is too. It's alright.
No, yours is fine.
But
I'm pretty sure everyone thinks I'm annoying, so...
I don't think you're annoying, Nate.
Where'd all the dirt go that I made? Noah? Noah?
Was that for a purpose?
Yes.
What purpose was that?
It was to make a tree farm so we could hopefully have more wood and build out more.
I
You
didn't.
crushed our future!
I didn't touch it, I swear. What does dust give you?
I can just make more. What dust? What?
What does dust give you? Oh, there's an ore.
Dust. What type of dust?
There's more ore.
Fine, don't answer.
Just dust, like the dust you get from the cobble. Oh my god, look at all that ore.
Look, this dirt right here, just leave this.
Yes,
Alright?
yes, I got it.
Alright, good.
Did I get anything good? I got iron. Aluminum.
Do
Dude,
we-
I got blaze powder.
Do we have tin, though? That's the big one.
I'm trying, sir.
Bronze, lumite, tin. Not close enough. We need a little bit more.
How much more does it say? Oh, we need like 4 more blocks.
That's alright.
No, it's not alright. 4 more blocks is... Oh my. A little bit of lag here.
Yeah. Okay, so...
Yeah. We need to sort this stuff. Nate.
No, I'm not sorting. Every time I sort, you mess it up.
That's why, cause I like it, any system.
I'm not sorting it.
Pervert.
Yeah. Guilty. I need to mine part of our house.
What did you do, sir? Did you fix the problem? No, you did not.
Because you put the lava bucket somewhere and didn't tell me where.
It's in one of the... It's right here if you looked with your eyes.
What eyes?
There, it's right there. There. It's a bucket.
Thank you.
Jerk off.
This could have saved us some cobble, sir. Look. Just put it right here. See? Now it works again.
One, do it!
I'm doing it.
Good girl.
Mwah. Yeah, Noah's sex noises are farts.
No.
Just a warning, these videos are not kid friendly.
Yeah, they're not. Am I not OP?
What do you mean you're not OP?
I'm not OP.
What do you mean?
I'm not opt.
What do you mean you're not opt?
Opt me.
I did opt you.
You're not. I'm not opt.
I'm sorry, sir, but I think you are.
Wanna opt me then?
Can this...
Opt? De-opt me and opt me.
Wait, oh, you're in the ops list, so you're just probably being dumb.
I didn't space it out. My bad.
Dumb fuck. No,
Here,
it doesn't like
I'll
people
just,
with dumb fuck.
I'll
It
just,
turns them on.
I'll just.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, how you?
Good. So there's some chests down here. Don't put anything in yet. I'm gonna attempt to sort out your problems.
Thanks, bib.
I'm not sorting out all the stuff. You're eating that.
Slash.
Why are you putting them on the ground? There's walls for a reason.
Don't touch them.
I'll touch you.
Alright, I don't care. Just don't touch my torches. I hate toggle. I hate downfall. Even though it's bacon, it's just. Alright, here I go to level up my pickaxe. Get over here. I'll take you on.
Oh,
You marry me?
no.
Will you marry me? Meth. Oh, whoa. Whoa, whoa.
There we go, sucking dirt.
Can I have some cobble, my good sir?
You know,
If you don't mind.
How much?
Huh?
How much?
Another stack? Or,
I don't even have 20.
oh, well then, never
What do you
mind.
need it for? Where is all this cobble going?
Into gravel, and then the gravel goes into sand, and the sand goes into my thing. Oh, I got a diamond! And I got boots, and that, and I got 2 diamond iron swords. Iron swords.
No, how are you
Iron.
mistaking iron for diamond? You can tell Noah's going mad.
Baby, it's alright.
No, it's not.
Shh!
It's not okay.
I need a drink, and it's all the way on the other side of my room.
How?
Oh, no. Can I do this without, like, dropping my phone? Stretch!
Did you need?
A stack.
Well, why do you need so much?
Gives me a good chance of looting your mom.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, it's all physics. It's alright.
Alright, I'm glad. I'm glad it's for physics and not something else.
Oh yeah, I stretched and I got my full throttle.
Alright, so I just need to heal up.
Oh, are you? No, you're not. Oh yeah, you were. I thought I heard a boom boom pow. Frickin' Jack my style. I'm trying to cover my swagger. I'm on that next. Now, you throw 2,000 late.
Can the skeletons quit?
No, they can't. Here's a video recorder head. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I won.
If you panic, yes, you will die.
I got another rare loot bag. What do you think I got in it? Guess. Shh, guys. Shh.
I'm not guessing. There's no way I'm gonna be able to guess.
Shh, guess what I got?
Is it a wiener?
No.
That's unfortunate.
It's gold!
Would you stop giving me your iron swords? I do not want them, Sam Iron.
You just noticed them. Ah!
2 string, that wasn't a great loot bag at all.
I got a great little bag. I got 2 iron. Na, 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 na.
But the... Thank God you're not putting them in there anymore. No,
Broken tin. Broken tin. How to the hand. A Sam, my. Oh no, what? What?
So, I don't know if you've learned anything in the past 20 minutes.
Wait, what's it turn into? Shh. What's it turn into? Gold. Forget. Scream-nade.
Yeah.
Scream, man.
Hey, just saying.
I'm gonna get hit, ain't I?
Maybe.
I hit you once, bro. I hit you once. Why hit you once?
I want you to stop hitting me. I don't know how many times I have to tell you this.
Will you not marry me?
Yes.
Thank God. Why you're ugly, buddy? Here.
Yeah,
We need more
I'm the
quartz,
ugly-
buddy.
I'm the ugly one, totally.
I didn't say ugly. I said buddy.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever. We need more
You
quartz.
become adept with the flint pickaxe, +1 haste and +1 modifier.
Do I want to listen to this radio? Yeah. Whoa.
It's magic. No, that's your line. Oh god.
Let's fly way out to the sky.
Oh god damn it. Wrong song, Noah.
No, this is Dean Martin, bro. Let's go write some. You got the wrong song. You got that new crappy poop. I got. What'd you say?
I'm just gonna stay here for a while. And, mine. I'm gonna get stacks of cobble.
No wonder my happy heart sings. Your love has given me wings.
No, it has not.
Bro. Don't ruin my vibe. What'd you get? You got a staff of travel?
Yeah.
Swag!
You don't even know how it works.
Yeah, you do. There's like you have to like set up a hotspot, and there's like I can't explain it, but I understand the concept of it. I swear.
Uh-huh.
You know what, Nate? We're fighting.
Are we?
No. I said no.
Uh-huh. Get out of here. Nope. Yeah. What now?
Can I have some cobble to replace it?
No, you may not.
All right.
On your own.
All right.
Mind your own. I worked hard, so...
I set the floor up.
Uh-huh. And then you ruined it. Trying to
Yes.
spite me.
Hey, look.
There's some down below, so that might be enough to fix it.
Hey. Hi.
The floor.
You knocked me back into the crops.
I know. wasn't trying to kill you, if that's what you thought.
Yeah, that's what I did with that.
Now, if I wanted to kill you, I would have hit you sideways.
Blue.
That's how he likes it, guys. Sideways.
Can keep it.
Yeah, guilty as charged. I might be able to finish a large portion of the house now with the amount of cobble I have.
Can I have some?
No.
But I requested.
Yeah, you did request it, you're right. Have fun.
Nate!
No,
That's
It's okay, I'll get you some more.
that's a move.
I'll mine you a stack really quick.
5 hours later.
Yeah, probably. It takes a long time. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Hey, no, I got the stack of cobble you asked for. Thanks, Nate.
You're welcome. Alright, so. Yeah. Let me just get to mining.
Alright, we look good now. I mean, I look good. I don't know about you, fugly.
Yeah, that's totally what's happening.
I don't. It's shining out in a bum. Shine. Come shine. Da da ba da ba bum.
Alright, there we go. Now all you have to do is mine this block right here.
Who? What? Me? What?
This one, right here, this block right here, and it's our cobblestone generator. And it looks a little bit nicer.
Wow.
So yeah. Hide that.
I need iron.
Yeah, you do, don't you?
Rain. Rain or shine.
You're gonna edit this part out, right?
What part?
You're still recording, aren't you?
Yeah.
So you're gonna edit this part out, right?
What part?
If there's anyone down in the comments that's bored of this and happens to watch this far, please feel free to tell Noah what remove this part means.
I don't see anything wrong with this part.
We're not talking, there's barely any commentary going. They're the same thing, really. I'm just kind of trying to make space, but...
How do you chisel stuff?
With a chisel.
I have one, but it's not working.
That's unfortunate for you. Repair the pickaxe.
How do I do it?
It's not, you don't just chisel things.
Yeah, you do.
No, you don't.
Well, what do you do?
What you need to do, first of all, is you need to stop whining, and second of all, you need to actually get the block physically. So like put it in your inventory and then craft the chisel with the block, and that's how. I've almost got you a stack of cobble.
You're stupid, because that's not what you do.
You're stupid because that's exactly what you do.
No, you don't. You click the chisel, and then it pops up with a menu, and you put the thing in.
Well, then why are you asking me if you know?
Because it's not working.
That sounds like a problem for you.
It says chisel. Now type in chisel. Do I need to make my own chisel? Do I need to make my own chisel?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
Yes, that would be I.
Well, alright guys, we're ending this episode. Thanks for watching. And write in the comments if this is really dumb. See ya!
20 minutes later, 1 million views, and like 20 million people say it's boring. Get out.
No!